guys, welcome to my channel. It's Becky here, gracing your online screen with another interesting video. So this video is going to be quite short but very useful. I want to film the process of making my homemade disinfectant. I think in periods like this, not just in periods like this, every time we need to disinfect our house once in a while. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you the process of making my homemade disinfectant. Very simple, with few ingredients that you probably might already have at home. And then I'm also going to be showing you how to use it. So definitely keep watching the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, click the subscribe button, and of course, make sure you try this tutorial and let me know how it went. So let's get right into the video. So like I said, we're going to be needing few things. We'll be needing a spray bottle, which I have here already. We will be needing water. I just want to use about 40 cl of water. So I'm using this bottle as a measurement. I know this is not a perfect measurement, but yeah, it's going to be a guide because this is a 75 cl bottle, as you can see. So I have it this much, so which amounts to like 40 cl. And then we are also going to be using Dettol disinfectant. You can use any product you like. Dettol antiseptic, this liquid antiseptic disinfectant. We are going to be using bleach. You can use any bleach you like. I'm using hypo. We are also going to be needing some isopropyl alcohol, and usually called spirits in our country. So yeah, this is Moko. You can also use any product you like. And I'm just going to be needing this little container here for measurement. So let's get right into it. First, I'm going to transfer my water into the spray bottle. Okay, now I think I might have to reduce this water because I actually thought my spray bottle could contain 40 cl, and still have a good amount of space, but it didn't. So I think I'm going to be using maybe like 30 cl of water. So this quantity is fine so that I can still have space to, pour my ingredients in it. So okay, there's a line in this plate that I'm actually using as my measurement. So I want that much of the Dettol disinfectant. I'm just going to pour that into the bottle, and I want that same quantity . And I'm just going to pour that into the mixture. And then lastly, I don't need much of the bleach. I just need like this much to cover full. I'm going to pour that into the mixture as well. So this is actually quite simple to make, as you can see. This is very effective and very good homemade disinfectant. So after this, I'm going to be showing you guys, just wash this up. I'm going to be showing you guys how to use this. Another important thing you need is a cleaning towel, which I am going to wet. After wetting it, I'm going to make sure I squeeze out the water completely out of the towel. You don't want it to be soaked, you just want it to be wet. I'm going to squeeze the water out, all of the water out. So yeah, that's it. So guys, that's all for the vlog. As you can see, this is quite easy to make and very affordable as well, and these are some of the things you already have at home. So if you try this, let me know in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you.